the perfect prime rib recipe for a show-stopping holiday feast. The holidays, a time for joy, laughter, and the unmistakable aroma of a perfectly roasted prime rib wafting through the house. If you're ready to impress your family and friends with a dish that's unforgettable as it is delicious, this prime rib recipe is your golden ticket to holiday glory. The ingredients: 1 5 to 7 pound prime rib roast, bone in, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 5 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh thyme chopped, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, optional horseradish sauce for serving. The steps: prepare the roast. Take your prime rib out of the refrigerator at least 2 hours before cooking to let it come to room temperature. This ensures even cooking and a perfectly tender result. Season generously. Mix olive oil, garlic, rosemary, thyme, salt, pepper, and smoked paprika into a fragrant rub. Massage this flavorful mixture all over the roast, making sure it gets into every nook and cranny. Preheat and sear. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the roast in a roasting pan, bone side down. Roast at this high temperature for 15 minutes to create a delicious crust. Lower the heat. Reduce the oven temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue roasting until the internal temperature reaches your desired level of doneness. Rare is going to be 120 degrees. Medium rare, 130 degrees. And medium, 140 degrees. Rest and serve. Once cooked, remove the roast from the oven and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. This step is crucial for locking in all those glorious juices. Carve into thick, juicy slices and serve with horseradish sauce if you're feeling fancy. Speaking of perfect kitchens, let's face it, the right kitchen can make or break your culinary adventures. Imagine preparing this prime rib masterpiece in a dream kitchen outfitted with double ovens, ample counter space, and all the storage you'll ever need. If your current space isn't quite cutting it, I'm here to help. As your favorite Space Coast realtor, I've spent over 30 years helping families find their dream homes and dream kitchens. From waterfront properties with stunning views to cozy family homes with chef-worthy setups, I know just where to look to meet your needs. So while you're mastering this prime rib recipe, let me master the art of finding you the perfect home. Reach out today, and together we'll make sure your next holiday feast is prepared in a space that's as extraordinary as your cooking. Happy roasting and happy house hunting.